In this video, you'll learn how to unlock direct messages on TikTok in 2025. First, open TikTok and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines menu in the top right and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Tap Privacy. This is where all your messaging controls are located. Tap on Direct Messages to access your DM settings, then tap Permission Settings. You'll see who can send you direct messages with options like Request or Don't Receive. If it's set to request, change it to don't receive depending on your preference. Age restrictions also affect DMs. If you're under 16, you can only message friends. If you're 16 to 17, you can message friends and people you follow. Adult accounts have full messaging capabilities. Finally, if DMs still aren't working, try logging out and back in or update your TikTok app. Sometimes a simple restart fixes messaging issues. You can also check if TikTok is down by searching TikTok down online. And that's it. Your TikTok DM should now be unlocked and working.